Hello kids, now try to complete the block 10 PQs and send through WhatsApp. If you see the first question, read the story The Dove and the Ant and answer the question. So there is a passage given on dove and the ant. You read that passage and down you can see the questions like who are the characters in the story, how did the dove act when the ant cried for help, what does it show about him. So when the dove act. So how did the dove act and what does it show about the dove? Now how did the ant save the dove's life and what does it show about the ant? So in question B you want to write about the dove's character. In question C you want to write about the ant's character. Now do the characters have something in common with the characters from the story The Lion and the Mouse? What is it? So basing on the lion and mouse story, you want to compare this dove and ant story and you want to write whatever they are there in common among both stories you observed. Basing on this, complete it in your classwork. Now if you move to the second question, make a word web with the words that describe the character of the ant and the dove from the story above. You want to make a word web. So write a circle, ant. In that you write ant, and about the character of the ant you can draw some other circles above and down of it and you can write about the character of the ant. The same you can do with the dove, one more word web and complete it in your classwork. Now coming to third one, make a t-shirt with two columns titled similarities and differences. Or you can cut the page, you can draw a line in the page and you can write similarities and differences and you can use some words to compare and contrast the similar words and contrasting words to compare the characters of the dove and the ant and also lion and the mouse, and you can compare the characters, the settings, the events and the morals of the stories, the dove and the ant and the lion and the mouse stories. Try to compare them by using the comparing words and the contrasting words and complete it in your classwork. Now if you move to the page number 72, there are 3 questions. Write a compare and contrast paragraph using the ideas listed in chart in question 3. So already such questions you had written in your volume. Basing on them you want to complete your fourth one by writing a paragraph comparing and contrasting. So you can say that in both the stories we can see two characters, both are the fables. So like that we can compare, and about the moral of the story you can write a paragraph. Now coming to fifth one, fill in the checklist for a paragraph you have written. This you can complete in your textbook itself. So check that you have to write the paragraphs basing on this checklist. So read that in paragraphs it talks about the similarities between the stories. So you want to write with similarities, with the differences and comparing and contrasting words. And also you have to use similar and opposite meanings. So as we read about the synonyms and antonyms, use the synonyms and antonyms like similar and opposite words. And in paragraphs, to separate the similarities and differences, I have used paragraphs. Means you want to write at least 2 paragraphs, and your sentences must begin with a capital letter and they must end with a full stop. So if you use these rules and write, then you can check it and complete your 5th question. Now rewrite the passage after replacing the nouns with pronouns. You can see many nouns there like Ram and Rani. There are many names. Try to replace according to the usage. So subject pronouns in the beginning and object pronouns in the ending of the sentence. So basing on that, so first time you can use the name, the second time when they are repeating you want to use the pronouns, and you want to change the passage and you can write in your classwork, or you can circle here itself in the textbook and complete that one. Now if you move to page number 73, we have 2 questions, 7th and 8th. Describe how your best friend is and how he or she is not. So if we tell about your friend, we can say she is beautiful, or you can say that she is not ugly. So any character, she is very good, she is not bad. So in this way use the synonym and also the antonym for that word and write how she is or she is not, and use similar and opposite meaning words in that and complete that one. Spot the differences in the two pictures. Write a paragraph describing the similarities and differences in them. So you can see two pictures here. You want to find what differences are there in both the pictures, and basing on that you want to write a paragraph describing what is similar. So you can see that what similar things are there here. There is a boy in this picture, in the other picture also there is a boy, and you can say that he is using scissor. So the similarities and differences also you can write according to some errors you can find in